Unit 9. The Aztecs. Listening 9. Read and listen.
The Aztecs lived in Mexico about 700 years ago. Their biggest city was Tenochtitlan. Houses were made of wood. Palaces and temples were made of stone. Around the city, the Aztecs had farms and planted fruit and vegetables. They used tools to help them. They hunted and fished too. Aztec children learned at home until they were 14 years old. Then they started school. Boys and girls went to school. At school, boys learned to read and write. They didn't write words, they used pictures. The pictures were called hieroglyphics. Girls learned how to cook and sew. They also learned how to look after children. The Aztecs loved games. They played a ball game on a special sports field. They liked songs and plays too. They had theatres in their city. In the theatres, they watched plays. At festivals, they read poems and watched people doing gymnastics and dancing. The Aztec women sewed beautiful clothes. They used lots of beads. They had amazing hats with lots of feathers.